welcome to my channel today. So today I'm gonna show you Windsor Great Park. So we're going for the walk first time. My friend told me about this and I'm really excited. So let's see what we're gonna find in the way. This is Jay. Say hello, Jay. He's doing cycling. That is Daddy and Dodo sitting in the pram. It's a very beautiful place. As you can see, it's like a lovely walk. If you love walk, this is the best place to come for. So these crazy people left me. Kamal is running and Jay is doing cycling. Now we are finally reaching to a door. I have no idea about it. So as you can see, this is the door in case if you want to come. And then you go straight. You can see in the left there's a polo ground which is very beautiful. I don't know where we're going. Kamal, do you think that's the way for the Windsor? Looks like that. So you can see, I think it might be that, the place we're looking for. So from here, we're just gonna take this side. You can see this, keep safe distance because of Corona. Take your litter home. Respect all other park users. So stay safe. Whoa, what are you showing me? Yeah, so they got ambulance there in the end, just for the security purposes, I think. With Jess showing me. I think we might go into the wrong way because this is saying like Saliva Garden. You can see it's a perfect day for walk. Look at this. Children are climbing there. And we just can keep going. Look at these trees. So pretty. You can do picnic or something. And there's a lot of horses and deer also. I haven't seen any deer. I did see 5-6 horses. Seems like we came wrong way. There was different garden there. So we're going back now to different place. You can see. So pretty. Pretty. This one is coming behind me. Dodo doesn't want to sit in the pram anymore. Beautiful Christmas trees. So pretty. And how much quiet it is here. It's like you are in heaven alone. But I'm not alone. I got these 3 people. And I think one more man there. See. Kamal found an adventure land there. I think Papa wants to do some fun there. And Jay is thinking what Daddy's doing. He's leaving his bike. And Dodo is also started running now. Go guys, go! So as you can see, it's quite a nice place to bring kids. Quite fun. Running. What happened to your run? Oh. This is the funniest run I ever seen. I think there's a beautiful pond. And I'm so excited to see. You can see from here. What happened? Whoa. What is it? Jai Bhaiya. Huh? Appa. So there is something Appa which I don't understand. What is Appa? He's running. And we keep going near to the pond. Oh my god, I feel like I'm literally in the heaven. I'm not sure if you could see the pond, but I will show you in a minute. Actually, it is a heaven. Can you see? kamal ka phool, which we normally see in India. Yeah, get your bike, please. Oh my God. Oh my God. And in the end, there's a lot of red on there. So pretty. Look at this. We've been sitting here enjoying the view, and so many lotuses are here. So beautiful. And there's a tiny bridge you can cross over. It's like literally heaven, to be honest. Yeah. The hand. The hand. Dodo, leave my hand. Okay, wait. I help you. Okay, you go.
Oh, how do you do that, Raji?
Because mommy is big person.
Yes, stronger. But that is the big stronger.
What about me? I'm not stronger.
No,
Okay, so we both are strong. What about Dodo? Going in a jungle now. Tiny way. And I'm going through jungle. I remember the song. We're going in the jungle. I don't know it's even a song. Going to the jungle. One more tree to have fun. Are you? Where you are? Uh-oh. Do you need help? He's coming in the jungle. Go to Papa. I'm gonna help Jab here. Where are you going? He's upset because he can't do cycling in this road. It's a bit hard for him. Hello guys. You coming? Wow. You made it. Good job. See you. Hey. This way. Uh-oh. Looks like bumpy again, huh? Yeah. Should I help you? It's gonna go to... Oh! Why we did that? Finally out of woods. I think it's straight. Yeah, you remember? This way. Because this is the way we saw Casco van. Hello, Dodo. Which part? Dodo found his own game. What are you doing? Whoa. Butterfly. Wow, where did it go? Go find it. Go find the butterfly, Dodo. Okay, I think come back now. We found it. Yeah. Good job, Dodo. Ooh. No, we're going this way. Look, Jabba, you're going this way. Daddy waiting. Come on, runny, Dodo. Runny. Go faster. Go. Oh, no. It's a bee.
I found you, Mike.
Keep going, guys.
Oh, they had
So finally we're reaching to the place where we started. I think it's still a long way, but we're almost there. And you can see there is a path. Yes. This is for the horses. So no people allowed it to walk on this path because this is specially for the horses. It's going long way straight. Yeah. And here it is. It's beautiful. We're going this way. Hopefully we see any horses.